So dust it. I have one already done up.
So through the magic of television, an hour later,
there it is.
it would look something like this.
Yeah.
So when you pull the batting out.
Yeah, and you just pull the batting out, right.
Yep.
Okay, so this actually will just attach.
Is that on the cat or is that on the
It's going to be on the side of the cat.
The side of the cat.
Right. Oh, his shoulder fell down. Let me put
So
his
he's actually
shoulder
wearing the bow.
He's actually wearing the bow.
Gotcha.
I put his shoulder back on. So it's right here in the back.
Oh.
Right at the neck. That's why the body doesn't really matter.
Also covering a multitude of things.
Of course. That's what I'm all about. Okay, and then I need to get that bell on the front there, on the front toe.
Okay.
Because I have a bell that comes on the front. So let me
Okay.
get that on. That's a piece of spaghetti. I can find my spaghetti.
This is the toe bell.
Yeah, I want you to see it. So
Yeah.
there we go. Okay, so we can just put that in. And then I need to make one because I don't have one with a hole, I don't think, in here.
It's okay.
I have a whole bunch of them over here, but I'm just going to make a bell and stick it on there.
Okay.
Okay?
Let's do that.
And we can put all the rest of the bells on. See, I've got other bells I already did. Pre-made bells. Probably have to attach that with a little bit. You can see I'll just take all these guys and stick them on.
So you just make all your bells at once.
Yeah. You have to stick them on there.
That one doesn't want to be there.
Well, I have to put a little more water on it. They're dry. When they're dry, it takes a little more oomph to get them on there. Okay, so. Okay.
Yeah. Looking really, really great.
A little bit of gold. And we're going to plop it on.
It's funny how much better it looks with a little bit of luster dust or,
Right.
or a little bit of texture. I mean, those are the details that really make it look great.
It's all in the details.
Yeah.
Got to have that little bell on the front. I'm sorry.
There we go.
I had to have the little bell in
Sure.
the front.
I think it's the law for elf boots.
For elves, yeah.
All elves need to have some kind of curled up toe with a bell.
Okay, so we're good. I think I'm just going to finish up the little extra details that didn't get done.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, a huge round of applause for Tami
Thanks for
Utley.
coming,
Yay!
everyone.
And her cat in an elf boot. Brownie is not a cake; it's a giant brownie, that I have a feeling I'm going to end up eating. So there you go. So one more time, folks. Tami Utley, let's hear it for her. Yay!
Thanks, everyone.
Thanks, gang. See you on Yummy Arts.